Welcome back to Best Car Craze, where we dive into the latest and most exciting developments in the world of cars. Today, we're talking about something that's a perfect blend of power, performance, and sustainability, the Cupra Terramar. This sporty hybrid SUV is not just another car, it's a bold step into the future of driving, combining cutting-edge hybrid technology with the raw energy of a performance vehicle. Stick around as we explore why the Cupra Terramar is turning heads and making waves in the automotive world. At first glance, the Cupra Terramar demands your attention. With its aggressive, muscular stance and sleek, aerodynamic design, this SUV is the embodiment of modern performance. The sculpted body lines, bold front grille, and distinctive LED headlights give it a presence that stands out in a crowd. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down the highway, the Terramar exudes confidence at every turn. The car's lower profile and wide wheel arches hint at its sporty capabilities, while the rear spoiler adds that extra touch of flair and function. It's a design that doesn't just look fast, it feels fast, even when it's standing still. Step inside, and the first thing that will strike you is the premium quality and comfort that's built into every corner of the cabin. The Cupra Terramar offers an interior that's designed to pamper you. From the luxurious leather seats to the high-tech digital cockpit, everything in this car is focused on providing you with the best driving experience. But what sets the Terramar apart is its seamless integration of technology. The centerpiece is the large touchscreen infotainment system that offers smooth, intuitive control over all your media, navigation, and vehicle settings. Pair that with the crystal-clear sound system, and you've got a car that's as fun to be inside as it is to drive. But it doesn't stop there. The Terramar comes equipped with the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring you stay safe and in control at all times. Now, let's talk about what really makes the Cupra Terramar shine: its performance. Powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, this SUV delivers the perfect balance of power and efficiency. It's a car that doesn't compromise. Whether you're looking to zip through city traffic or take on winding country roads, the Terramar offers a driving experience that's both thrilling and smooth. The hybrid setup combines an efficient internal combustion engine with a powerful electric motor, giving the Terramar impressive acceleration and fuel economy. You'll enjoy a driving experience that's not only fast, but also surprisingly eco-friendly. It's perfect for those who want to make a statement while minimizing their environmental impact. The handling? Absolutely stellar. The SUV combines a dynamic driving experience with everyday practicality, thanks to its sport-tuned suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive system. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway, the Terramar's responsive handling and stability are top-notch. Thanks to its hybrid powertrain, it's also incredibly efficient. The electric motor provides instant torque, allowing for rapid acceleration without the fuel consumption that comes with traditional combustion engines. And, of course, the integration of regenerative braking ensures that you're making the most of every moment behind the wheel. In conclusion, the Cupra Terramar isn't just another hybrid SUV, it's a revolution on four wheels. With its stunning design, thrilling performance, eco-friendly hybrid technology, and cutting-edge interior, it checks all the boxes for a modern, high-performance vehicle. Whether you're an enthusiast seeking an adrenaline rush or someone looking to make a sustainable yet powerful choice, the Cupra Terramar is designed to impress. So, what do you think of the Cupra Terramar? Is it the SUV of the future, or is it just another passing trend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Car Craze for more exciting car reviews and updates.